You want to be a part of something great. You want to be a part of a great culture. Come to Vector Security. As long as you're hardworking, you're diligent, you're going to do all the things you need to do on a day-to-day basis, you'll be successful because the structure is there. Being with Vector Security has afforded me the benefit of making income that honestly I never made before. They have a great incentive plan, great commission structure that really benefits me and my family. And so being able to purchase a home, it has been something I've always dreamed of. And Vector Security is really the catalyst in that. It's really a path set up for you, regardless to what direction you want to go with. For instance, you want to get into marketing, or whether you want to stay in sales, whether you want to get into management. For me, I want to get into leadership. I've enjoyed individual success within the company. I've won awards, and that's great. And I really love that because that just shows the hard work that I've put in. But being able to bring others on and make them successful and guide them down the path of success is really my greatest success.